Hi, my name is Friday. Welcome to my channel. To my subscribers, thank you as always. And to those of you that are not subscribed, subscribe and join the fun. For this first craft, you want one of these trees and these window clings and some Jenga blocks. I glued 4 together and then 2 more on top of that. And I put my tree and glued the other 2 so my tree will stand up. I will attempt to paint my tree the same color as this. I can cut this window clean out, the gray, but this one will be kind of hard, so I'm just going to attempt to paint it like that. Okay, couldn't exactly get my paint to match, but this is good just like this. So I will Mod Podge my truck and my sign down, add a cute little embellishment, put it in my stand, and call it good. Yeah, how cute is that? I think I got my Christmas trees sign a tad bit crooked, and I just used a foam star from my 4th of July craft box. Okay, on to the next craft. I was inspired by so many people making these that I have to make one. You need 2 oven mitts and 2 of these duster pads, and you want to take your duster pads and attach it to your oven mitt like that. Do both of them. After your dusting cloth is on your oven mitts, hot glue it down like that, flip it over and add a popsicle just for added security, plus I need some place to put my twine. After your mittens are all glued together, let's add some embellishments. I am really lousy at making bows, but I just cut 3 ribbon out and I jeweled them together with twine, and then I will just hot glue them together because I'm really bad about making ribbons. Something like that and fluff them out, but I do plan on adding more embellishment, and then I'll hang it up. And there is the finished project. Oh my goodness, I'm loving this. Okay, on to the next craft. For this next craft, which is a display tray, you will need 2 picture frames and some beads. Take the first frame, remove everything, including the tab. In the second frame, just remove the mirror and paint your frames. Paint your beads or stain them however you want. And grab 2 of these and some of these trees. And some other embellishments, of course. I painted my frame truffle and then dry brushed it with gray, and I love it like this. I did not add the beads because I love how this came out. I put a cardstock on top of my mirror, and now I'm ready to display it. Now how cute is that? I just added faux snow to the vases and then the tree and the candle, and I added some burlap ribbon to the bottom of the other trees, but I love how this came out. Okay, on to the next. Nothing is better than homemade gift tags at Christmas time. And this is such an easy craft. You just need some stock paper, some Sharpies, and these wood ornaments. You get 5 of these at the Dollar Tree for $1, or you can get 7, and they're a tad bit thicker at Michael's for $1, cheaper if you have a coupon. The first thing you want to do is plug in one of these holes and paint the back sides black. I did paint this one white at the top only because I plan on throwing cotton balls, and it's going to overhang, and I just didn't want you to see it. So on this side, I will attach with Mod Podge my cardstock. After your cardstock is dry, take one of your markers, and you can see this is obviously not color through, so I'm just going to touch it up with my Sharpie on the side, just so it's like all black on the edges. I think this one I did red and black. Take your Sharpie and write your name tags, and then poke a hole through your cardstock, attach your little twine, and embellish the front. So I just added a little ball to this one, and this one just cotton balls that I kind of rolled out. I love these. You can also use these as ornaments, but they make the perfect gift tags. Okay, on to the next craft. Oh my, oh my, oh my, the things you can do with these fish bowls. I know the Dollar Tree sells them, but I went to like 3 Dollar Trees and I can't find any. So I went to Michael's. They're $1.49 a piece, and if you play your coupons right, you can get them cheaper than the Dollar Tree. bought one like this and one like this. The first thing I will do is E6000 those together, and then I'm going to chalk it up with white chalk paint. You will also need this cute little hat and this wreath and some garland, and I plan to wrap my garland around my wreath. After I wrapped my garland all around my wreath, I left a little tail like to go like this, so my snowman, the bottom part, will hide under there. Now I will put some faux snow on there. Just gonna pounce some white acrylic paint on there, and while it is still wet, I will sprinkle glitter on it. And then I'll decorate my wreath and my snowman and set it up. And there's my snowman. I just added some poinsettias. I need to find me some smaller poinsettias, but he came out so darn cute. Okay, until next time, take care of yourself and love one another.